March 1st. We went out for Chinese food tonight, and we all got fortune cookies. My fortune had this on the back of it. Lucky numbers are 3, 18, 34, 35, 46, 61. And my first thought was, I should play the lottery with these numbers. And then I looked at my mom's cookie and realized that she also got a list of lucky numbers, and it was completely different. And so did my dad and my sister. And if we all played the lottery, at least 3 of us would lose. I'm beginning to suspect that the fortune cookies are just really elaborate scheme by the people who run the lottery. March 2nd. Tonight I went to the grocery store with my mom, which is always a huge mistake. My mom loves shopping with coupons, so any trip to the store is about running up and down the aisles trying to find the exact size of something that she has a coupon for. Coupons kind of make my mom crazy. Like tonight, we bought a 36-ounce bottle of ranch dressing, even though no one in our family likes ranch dressing. But my mom said, with this coupon, it's practically free. 3 months from now, we will throw out the bottle of ranch dressing. I just know it. March 3rd. My mom's watching one of those TV cooking competition shows where the chefs have to make a meal out of a bunch of random ingredients they've been given. I think if I were ever on one of those shows, I knew I was going to lose. I'd put all the food in a blender with some anchovies and some chocolate chips just to watch the judges try and eat it. March 6th. St. Patrick's Day is coming up, so McDonald's is selling Shamrock shakes. I bet a real Shamrock shake would taste disgusting. March 7th. Today was my birthday! I'm officially 14 years old. That's 2 dog years. I pointed out to my mom that I'm just 1 year away from being able to get my learner's permit, and she said, "Don't remind me." But the best part is, I've been asking my parents for a cell phone for a while now, and for my birthday, they got me one. Well, actually, they didn't really get me one. My dad got my mom a new one, and she gave me her old one. Believe me, if I were allowed to pick out my cell phone, it would be newer and be able to play games, and it wouldn't be purple or glittery. March 9th. At lunch today, I showed my new phone to Kevin and Chuck. They mostly just made fun of it for being all sparkly and purple. Chuck looked at it and said, "So, who are you going to call on it? Grimace? Barney the dinosaur?" And then Kevin said, "Yeah, or maybe you could call..." And then he got stuck because there really aren't that many purple characters. Hello? Yes, this is he. March 10th. I got my first phone call on my cell phone today. I was at Chuck's house for his birthday party, and my mom called to let me know that she'd be a little late picking me up. It was nice of her to call, but let's just say that a room filled with your friends is not the best place to find out that the ringtone your mom put on her phone was the cast of Glee singing, "Don't Stop Believing." So I downloaded some new ringtones. My favorite is one that sounds like Chewbacca. Now I just really want someone to call me so I can show it off.